How can I create a user on my Moodle? In order to teach and learn on your Moodle site, users must first have an account. There are several ways to do this. In this video, we explore how you, the administrator, can add users one at a time. Other videos explore how to bulk upload users to save time. As an administrator, click Site Administration and then click the Users tab. Click Add a new user. Here you add the information about the person whose new account you're creating. Some things to think about. Will you have a username policy so usernames are consistent in your site? Will you have a password policy? You can set or disable password policies from site security settings. Will you choose a password for them yourself, or if you let Moodle choose the password, the new user will receive an email with the password and will be able to change it on their first login. Note that everyone must have, as well as a username, a first name, surname and email address. Other details are not required and users can complete them themselves later. You can add a user picture or let the new user upload one later. Now click Create User. If you didn't ask Moodle to set a password, then you'll need to notify the new user about their new account on your site. Note, account holders are called authenticated users. They become students or teachers only once enrolled in courses, and we'll explore this in a later video. To summarize, individual accounts may be created from Add a new user in Site Administration. Some details are required, others are optional. Authenticated users become students or teachers once in courses.